Today I'm going to show you a Google hack or a Google Drive hack that you'll absolutely love. So one of my biggest pet peeves with Google Drive is when I'm trying to open or create a new Google Doc, you have to click on 4 or 5 different things. Well, you don't have to do that. If you just go up to your bar up here and type in doc.new, and voila, it will open up a whole new doc for you. It works for all the other things in Google Drive. If I type in sheet.new, that works. If I type in slide.new, that works. And even Google Forms, so if I type in form.new, that works as well. So a quick little hack to get started working on those documents a little bit quicker. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And yeah, I love this Google hack.